If your kitchen constantly feels cluttered, your pans don't stack properly, and cleaning up after cooking feels like a second job, you're not alone. Most cookware sets solve one problem, but create three more. So today, we're taking a closer look at the Carote 20-piece nonstick cookware set with removable handles. This is designed for people who want a more flexible, space-saving setup, especially if you're dealing with a small kitchen, an apartment, or even an RV. It promises to simplify cooking, storage, and cleanup without overcomplicating things. Right out of the box, the first thing that stands out is how different this set feels compared to traditional cookware. Without the handles attached, everything stacks neatly, almost like a set of bowls. That alone makes a big difference if cabinet space is limited. Instead of awkward angles and wasted space, you get a clean, compact stack that's actually easy to organize. The design itself is minimal but functional. The black finish gives it a clean, modern look, and it doesn't feel overly delicate. The pans have a solid weight to them. Not too heavy, but enough to feel durable. The nonstick coating feels smooth and consistent across the surface, which is important for both cooking and long-term use. And since the base is designed to work on multiple cooktops, including induction, it's flexible enough for most kitchens. The removable handle system is really the defining feature here. At first, it might feel like a gimmick, but after using it a few times, it starts to make sense. The handle clicks on securely, and once it's attached, it feels stable in your hand. You can move a pan from the stovetop to the oven, then remove the handle and place it straight on the table for serving. It simplifies the whole process in a way that traditional cookware just doesn't. In everyday use, the performance is solid. The heat distribution is fairly even, which means you're not constantly adjusting your cooking to avoid hot spots. It's not restaurant-level precision, but for home cooking, it does exactly what you need. The nonstick surface also does its job well. Eggs, vegetables, and even more delicate foods slide off easily, which means you can use less oil and spend less time scrubbing afterward. Cleaning is where this set really earns its value. Since the handles come off, you can fit everything into the dishwasher more easily or just rinse them quickly by hand. The coating resists that annoying buildup you sometimes see on cheaper pans, so they tend to stay looking clean with minimal effort. If you cook regularly, that convenience adds up quickly. Noise and usability aren't things people usually think about with cookware, but they matter here too. There's no rattling or instability when the handle is attached, and switching it between pans feels smooth rather than awkward. It's the kind of system that becomes second nature after a few uses, instead of something you have to think about every time. Of course, there are a few downsides. The removable handle, while practical, does add an extra step. If you're used to grabbing a pan and cooking immediately, this might take a little adjustment. Also, while the nonstick coating performs well, like any nonstick surface, it will require some care over time to maintain its performance. Compared to other cookware sets in this price range, this one stands out mainly for its versatility and storage efficiency. Traditional sets might offer thicker materials or slightly better heat retention, but they take up more space and don't offer the same flexibility. On the other hand, cheaper nonstick sets often cut corners on coating quality or durability. This sits somewhere in the middle. It's not trying to be ultra premium, but it solves real, everyday problems in a practical way. So, who is this actually for? If you're working with limited space, want easier cleanup, and like the idea of cookware that adapts to different uses, stovetop, oven, storage, even serving, this makes a lot of sense. If you prefer a more traditional, heavy-duty setup and don't mind the bulk, you might lean towards something else. At the end of the day, this set is about convenience without sacrificing too much performance. It won't completely change how you cook, but it will make the process smoother and less cluttered. If that's something you've been looking for, it's definitely worth checking out. You'll find the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if this review helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more honest, practical reviews like this.